Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another stock market video. Today we're going to be talking about the best biotech stocks to buy in 2020, and this is going to be a top 5 list. Now, if you're wondering how the biotechnology market has been performing, this is why I'm on the ETF right now, and you'll see that it had a slowdown towards the end of 2015 and was relatively flat since then compared to its previous performance. And just towards the end of 2019, we actually are on the cusp of a bigger breakout here. And if we take a look at it in the past, when we had a big breakout, we went from $30 all the way up to $130. So when this is the right time to invest in biotech, it can really move, right? And I think that right now we're on the edge of a bigger breakout like we haven't seen in a while here in biotech. So I think the timing is right for 2020 and ahead. And also, something to keep in mind with biotech is the more population grows, the more people need medicine. So there's something to consider right there. And also let me know your favorite biotech stocks in the comments below. So first up we have AbbVie. This was one that was actually in my best dividend stocks for 2020 because it pays out a massive dividend of 5.29% on a yearly basis. So you're getting a massive dividend paid out quarterly, as well as great performance as well on the stock itself. And if we take a look here, more specifically, we can see that AbbVie had a breakout above its downtrend line right here. So this is recent, and we're now obviously, uptrending again. And on top of that, since we got this pretty significant breakout, I think that that opens up a lot of room, and we don't really have much resistance apart from $100. And then our next step will be $125, right? So I think that pretty easily AbbVie is going to get back above $100 in 2020, and I think we could very well see a retest and a move above $125 as well for AbbVie here in 2020. So, one of the bigger biotech stocks, but one of the best nonetheless, and combined with that massive dividend plus stock return, you can't really go wrong with a stock like this, in my opinion. Nothing here is financial advice, but that's how I feel about it. So heading up next, we have a smaller biotech stock, which is Viking Therapeutics, with a small market cap of only $600 million, which is nothing compared to AbbVie, which is near $130 billion in market cap. So huge amounts ahead to grow. And this is also one of the newer biotech stocks. When IPO in 2015, was kind of underperforming, then had a big breakout and pull back a bit. I like it on this pullback. I think that we're going to see it go higher. And sky's the limit with this one with a small market cap like this. So I think right at $8, very nice price. Any move above $10 is going to be something to look out for, as it could really lead to a bigger move higher. Next up, we're going to have one of the biotech stocks really of the future that's been just performing very well recently, and that's CRISPR Therapeutics. Now, this is a Swiss biotech stock that's into gene editing, and it's listed on the NASDAQ here. So if we take a look, this is, like I said, a biotech stock really for the future, but now it's starting to show some more interesting results as far as the stock is concerned. Currently facing a little bit resistance at $70, but I think we're going to see it break above that in 2020, and I think a move above $100 for this one is very possible in 2020 as the biotech market strengthens again this year. So heading over to our next pick, it's going to be Novo Nordisk. This is one of the bigger ones again, kind of a similar market cap to AbbVie, and also has a nice dividend yield of 2.16%, so that's always nice. Now, if we look at its stock, I'm going to go over here and take a look at the more detailed chart. We're going to see that it's currently facing a little bit of resistance where it's at, but that actually could lead to a very, very big breakout. And that's really what I'm looking here for Novo Nordisk. And if we put on our resistance level here, we're going to see that we're literally right at the resistance level, which is at around $58 to $60. So any move above this is going to create a dramatic move higher, and that's really what I'm looking for in 2020 for this stock, right? I mean, it's been slowing down. It had its pullback, but now, it's coming back for the third time. It even tested this multiple times here, but like the third strong time on these reattempts. And I think that the third time's the charm on this one. We're going to get that breakout. And I mean, you saw on the ETF how these breakouts can lead in biotech, right? They can go on for quite some time, which is obviously great if you're investing in it, right? Once again, not financial advice, just my personal opinion. we're going to take a look at the last stock of the video. This is going to be a mega cap biotechnology stock. So one of the bigger ones out here, Pfizer. This is kind of a golden blue chip stock. Great dividend of 3.87%. And if we take a look at the chart here, we have a, let's see, the charts I think are kind of glitching on Yahoo Finance. We're going to head over to the chart here, and you'll see that it had a little bit of a pullback, which I like. I think that a lot of biotech stocks, if you take a look, are kind of towards all-time highs. And when they're right at all-time highs, it can always be kind of risky to invest in. That's why I like Pfizer here, which kind of pulled back to its support level at around $35, and now it leads the way to a move higher again. That we could even see a breakout above $50 here in 2020. And although it's one of the bigger biotech stocks, this isn't one that's going to go up as much as others. Combined with the great dividend and this pullback here, it provides a nice opportunity in 2020 as well, with obviously the backing of one of the best performing all-time blue chip stocks in biotech. Now, with that being said, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to check out my technical analysis master course, which is currently priced down below $20 for the holiday season, so make sure to take advantage of that. You learn everything about technical analysis, and also follow me on Twitter for market updates. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.